Bismillah, alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah wa ala alihi wa sahbihi wa man wala. This is Abdul Malik Khan and you are watching my YouTube channel. For more videos, please subscribe my YouTube channel and leave your comments.
In this summer, I visited Rahim Yar Khan. Rahim Yar Khan is a city in south of Punjab province of Pakistan. It is the capital of Rahim Yar Khan district and of Rahim Yar Khan Tehsil. People of Rahim Yar Khan mostly speak Saraiki language. However, there are a few Punjabi tribes who migrated from East Punjab in 1947. Well, during my visit, one day I have happened to visit a marvelous restaurant called Cafe Lamis. It was established back in 2003 by an Anglo-Pakistani known as Mr. Shazad Karim. I, with my two nephews, had lunch there. The food was delicious and exquisite. The presentation of the food was quite alluring. Yes, it was spicy too. South Punjab loves spicy. The management of the restaurant was very hospitable. I like the decor of the restaurant, its cleanliness and hygienic environment in the cooking area. The credit goes to Mr. Shazad Karim and his team. I wish to visit it again. So I would invite you to visit Cafe Lamis and have its exquisite food in a beautiful environment. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for watching my video. Please do subscribe my YouTube channel. For more videos, please click the